Hello everyone, this is Leanne Allegretto at the National Weather Service in Missoula. I'll be walking you through the next several days worth of weather and any associated weather-related impacts. So here's a quick summary of what to expect over the next several days. We are looking at a brief period of unstable and showery weather on Monday, and there is moderate confidence in this. And what we're expecting from this unstable period will be periods of rain mixed with snow, mixed with graupel. Could be any one of those things, could be a combination of all three, along with some breezy west winds, and that goes for all of the Northern Rockies, in addition to lightning. And we're not expecting, strong thunderstorms, but things will be unstable enough in the atmosphere that a strike of lightning could occur here or there, especially south of I-90 in and around the southwest Montana area and the Lemhi County area of Idaho as well. During that time, though, some periods of snow over mountain passes could be pretty intense at times and could cause quick reductions in visibilities and a light coating of snow over mountain pass roadways. So just keep that in mind. Then, as we go forward in time, the potential for snow and blustery east winds will occur over Marias Pass going into Tuesday and possibly into Wednesday as well, but we have pretty low confidence in this. This is just due to a very weak influence of Canadian air that's going to slide down the Continental Divide. And it's not like an Arctic front or anything like that. It's just enough cold air combined with the moisture that will be available that Marias Pass, and even to a lesser extent, maybe McDonald Pass, could see a period of snow and blustery east winds. And again, that's Tuesday into Wednesday. And then looking out beyond into mid and later in the week into the weekend, the question remains, is it going to get any drier or warmer? I will go into that, but right now we're thinking low confidence in this, and I'll explain why as we keep going forward. So for the showers and the unstable conditions with lightning possible Monday, here's a look at a timed animation of one model that shows the depiction of where the precipitation could end up. Of course, I'm going to skip through this, but please pause the presentation and watch the animation at your own pace if you need to. But there's going to be a focus of precipitation that occurs tonight, which is what you're seeing currently. And it spreads up through west central Montana up into northwest Montana overnight tonight, and then becomes more widespread as we get into Monday morning, and then again some pop-up showers that will occur later in the day, Monday afternoon, Monday evening time frame. And that's when we're expecting those lightning strikes down in the Butte, Phillipsburg, Salmon, that sort of region there. So just take a look at this, study it for your area, see where the showers could be. This is just a depiction, one model's rough estimate of where things could end up. So anywhere that you see the greens and the yellows, that is the potential for those graupel mixed with rain, mixed with snow showers that I was talking about. So after this moves out of the area, the animation I have shown here is you can spot Idaho and Montana there towards the north and the topmost and centermost portion of the graph, But to the west, off the Pacific coast, you see an area of high pressure. But then off to the east, over towards the Midwest, you see the remnants of a low pressure system. And the reason why I show this is it's kind of a interesting scenario as to whether or not we're going to get the warmth and the dryness from the high pressure off the west coast, or if we're going to remain under unstable, showery, cooler conditions as a result of being on the furthest fringe of that remaining low pressure to our east. So since the Northern Rockies is wedged between these two systems, it lends to lower forecast confidence as to what we can expect. For now, we're going to be watching this because of the cold air winds, and we stay showery. That could mean more periods of snowfall, particularly in the high elevations. But if we do get the high pressure to our west and it edges further into our area, we will obviously warm up and start to see a little bit more springy April-like conditions, which I think we could all appreciate at this time. So here's our threat matrix showing the impacts and how we have them highlighted here. Just about everywhere on Monday, we're expecting snow at passes combined with wind because of that unstable atmosphere, and then a little lingering impact over northwest Montana for the snow it passes, namely Marias Pass, due to blustery easterly winds and snow showers lingering along the divide. And then it's kind of a question mark through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, but we'll be checking back in with you on Tuesday to talk about all those things and more. So thank you for tuning in today, and we'll see you at the next one.